When it comes to cars, most people worry about the big, obvious parts, the engine, the battery, or the transmission. But often, it's the small, hidden components that can bring everything to a stop. One of those is the crankshaft position sensor. This little sensor is no bigger than a marker pen, but without it, your car can't run. Its job is to monitor the position and speed of the crankshaft, and then send that information to the car's computer. From there, the computer decides how much fuel to inject and when to fire the spark plugs. Basically, it's like the car's heartbeat monitor. When the crankshaft sensor starts to fail, things go downhill fast. The car may misfire, stall, or refuse to start altogether. The frustrating part? Most drivers don't realize what's happening until they're stranded somewhere. That's why in this video, we'll go through the 9 most common signs that your crankshaft position sensor is about to fail. Each one is a warning your car is giving you. Ignore them, and you could face not only a breakdown, but also an expensive repair bill. Stick with me until number 1, because that's the point where your car completely gives up. Number 9, the check engine light comes on. Let's start with the most common red flag, the check engine light. Now, I know what you're thinking. That light can mean 1,000 different things. And you're right. Sometimes it's as simple as a loose gas cap. But when it comes to crankshaft sensor problems, the car's computer will often store specific error codes. For example, codes like P0335 to P0339 usually point directly to crankshaft position sensor issues. These codes mean the computer isn't receiving a consistent signal from the sensor. The tricky part is that the light may come on and off at random. Maybe it flashes after you've been driving for a while, then disappears the next day. Don't ignore it. If the check engine light is paired with some of the other symptoms we'll cover, it's a strong clue that your crankshaft sensor is the culprit. And here's something many drivers don't realize. A flashing check engine light is worse than a steady one. Flashing often means the engine is misfiring, which can damage the catalytic converter, a repair that costs far more than replacing a sensor. Number 8, trouble starting the car. Have you ever turned the key and your car just keeps cranking but won't fire? Or sometimes it starts fine, other times it refuses? That inconsistency could be the crankshaft sensor. The reason is simple. Without the sensor, the computer doesn't know the crankshaft's position, which means it can't figure out when to inject fuel or ignite the spark. As a result, the engine just spins without firing properly. You'll often notice this problem more when the engine is hot. That's because heat causes weak sensors to break down faster. Many drivers report that their car starts fine in the morning, but struggles to restart after a trip to the grocery store or gas station. This hit-or-miss starting behavior is a classic sign of a crankshaft position sensor on its way out. Number 7, engine stalling while driving. Now here's a dangerous one, sudden stalling. Imagine you're cruising on the highway and out of nowhere, your car shuts off. No sputtering, no warning, just silence. After a few minutes, it might start back up like nothing happened. That's the crankshaft sensor at work, or rather, not at work. When the sensor signal cuts out, even for a split second, the computer has no idea how to run the engine, so it shuts down. The scariest part? This can happen at any speed. At a stoplight, it's just inconvenient. At 70 miles per hour, it's downright dangerous. If your car stalls randomly, especially with no other explanation, the crankshaft position sensor is one of the first things mechanics check. Number 6, misfiring or rough running. A healthy engine runs smoothly, almost like it's humming. But when the crankshaft sensor starts to fail, that harmony breaks down. You might feel jerking, shaking, or hesitation when accelerating. The car may even sound like it's coughing or popping. That's misfiring. Why does this happen? The crankshaft sensor is supposed to tell the computer exactly when to fire each spark plug. But if the timing is even slightly off, combustion happens too early or too late. That not only causes misfires, but also rough idling and sluggish performance. At first, you might brush it off as bad gas or just a minor hiccup, but repeated misfires can damage engine parts like pistons and valves. And if unburned fuel reaches the catalytic converter, it can ruin that too, leading to a repair bill in the thousands. Number 5, poor fuel economy. Here's a sign that hits your wallet. Your gas mileage drops. When the crankshaft position sensor doesn't send accurate data, the computer has to guess. Sometimes it injects too much fuel, sometimes too little. Either way, combustion becomes inefficient. That means your car burns more gas to travel the same distance. You'll notice the fuel gauge dipping faster than usual, even though your driving habits haven't changed. This problem is sneaky because many people don't connect poor mileage to a failing sensor. But if you're suddenly filling up more often, and especially if it's combined with rough running or a check engine light, it's worth checking the sensor. Number 4, acceleration problems. Have you ever pressed the gas pedal and instead of responding instantly, the car hesitates? Or maybe it surges unpredictably, almost like it's choking? That's another sign of crankshaft sensor trouble. The computer depends on the sensor to adjust timing and fuel injection in real time. When the data is wrong, acceleration feels sluggish or uneven. Some drivers even say their car feels like it's lagging or hesitating when merging onto the highway. In severe cases, you might push the pedal and nothing happens for a second or two. That's not just annoying, it's dangerous, especially when you need quick acceleration in traffic. Number 3, vibrations and engine noise. A failing crankshaft sensor can also make your car feel and sound different. When timing goes off, the engine doesn't run smoothly. This creates vibrations you can feel through the steering wheel, the seat, or even the floorboards. At idle, the car might feel like it's shaking more than usual. Sometimes, you'll also hear unusual sounds, like knocking or backfiring. These noises happen because fuel is burning at the wrong time inside the cylinders. While vibrations and noise can come from many issues, like bad motor mounts or spark plugs, the crankshaft sensor is a common suspect. If your once smooth ride starts feeling rougher, don't ignore it. Number 2, reduced engine power or limp mode. Modern cars are smart enough to protect themselves from major damage. If the computer senses serious problems with the crankshaft sensor, it may put the car into what's called limp mode. In limp mode, the engine runs on limited power. You'll notice weak acceleration, poor top speed, and sometimes restricted transmission shifts. The car is basically saying, "I'll get you to the shop, but that's it." While this mode can be frustrating, it's actually saving your engine from further harm. If your car enters limp mode, take it as a clear warning. Don't try to push it. Get it checked as soon as possible. Number 1, the car won't start at all. Finally, the most obvious and most serious sign, your car refuses to start. At this stage, the crankshaft position sensor has failed completely. The computer gets no signal, so it has no idea when to fire the spark plugs or inject fuel. The engine just cranks endlessly but never actually turns over. This is usually the point where most people finally discover the problem, but by then, it's too late to catch it early. You'll need a tow and a repair shop visit. The good news is, replacing a crankshaft position sensor is usually much cheaper than replacing bigger engine components. But it could have been avoided if the earlier signs were taken seriously. The crankshaft position sensor may be small, but it's one of the most important parts of your car's engine system. It acts like the brain's connection to the heart, making sure everything fires in rhythm. When it starts to fail, the car gives you plenty of warnings. Check engine lights, trouble starting, stalling, misfiring, poor fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, vibrations, limp mode, and finally, a no-start condition. If you catch the problem early, replacing the sensor is usually straightforward and affordable. Ignore it, and you risk damaging other expensive parts, or finding yourself stranded on the side of the road. So, pay attention to these signs. Your car is talking to you. The question is, are you listening? If this video helped you understand crankshaft position sensor problems, Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more car care tips and guides. And drop a comment below if you've ever had to deal with this issue. We'd love to hear your story.